Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Gumroad. I'll also explain some really important details you need to know when connecting your PayPal account with Gumroad. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything. Once you're logged into your Gumroad account, head over to your dashboard located in the top right corner. From there, go to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Inside the Settings, select the Payments tab. Here, you'll find a few different sections. The first section is Verification. You'll need to make sure your account is verified by providing some basic personal details. It's a quick and simple process. Next, you'll see the Payout Schedule section. Gumroad allows you to choose how often you want to receive payments: weekly, monthly, or quarterly. You can even pause payouts if needed and set a minimum payout threshold. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Bank Account section. Gumroad generally prefers users to cash out using a bank account, so if you have one available, it's best to add your bank details first. Further down, you'll find the PayPal option. However, there are a few requirements you must meet before you can withdraw funds to PayPal. Your account must be marked as compliant, you need to have earned at least $100, and you must have received at least one successful payout. Since your first payout can only be made through a bank account, you'll need to add your bank information first. Once you've earned a minimum of $10 and received that first payout, you'll be eligible to link your PayPal account for future withdrawals. If you navigate to the Payouts section on the left-hand side, you'll find options to verify your account and make it compliant. But remember, before doing that, make sure you've made at least $10 from sales. After your first successful payout and reaching $100 in total earnings, you can finally connect your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how you can easily add a payment method on Gumroad and connect your PayPal once you meet the requirements. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.